Guys, Jason here. Today I'm unboxing this guy. Ordered this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. The name, I guess, is Jellycomb. Yeah, not real sure about that. But just want to really quickly check the quality here. So sorry, I don't have my tripod out here today. Slide this guy out here. Okay. Okay. Cool. Got a silicone cover for it. I think that's all that's in the box. Yep. Cool. So this is Bluetooth, and overall it looks like the quality is pretty good. Right here we do have the little adapter. I see that. And there's also a plug-in for charging. The buttons have a nice feel to them. Yeah, I like it. This is going to definitely work for what I need. If you got anything you'd like to say, please leave it in the comments. Alright, also I wanted to mention, this comes with the charging cable, and I almost missed it, okay? So I opened the box on the side and was about to throw it away, and there's this little channel in this cardboard box, and the wire was tucked up in here, okay? So if you don't open this box all the way, you won't see it. I had actually even looked through the box and still didn't see it. So just be careful. The wire is hidden in there, so you want to open this box up completely. And you see we got the user manual. That's generic stuff. There is a Bluetooth 1 and a Bluetooth 2 so that you can switch between two devices. It says it works with iOS, Android. It is just a Bluetooth keyboard. This is the silicone protector on it. This is very, very thin. I don't think this is going to last any amount of time, but I will probably not be using that anyway. The keyboard itself feels like it is well made. Feels solid. It matches the finish on the Mac, so I'm pleased with this. I think this is going to work out well. This is not an Apple charger, okay? The charger on this is a USB-C, and it did come with that cable, but it is not an Apple charger. Just wanted to mention that. Alright guys, let me know what you think below.